Hello my dear SAP friends! Updating an SAP system is more or less easy going. From the planning perspective, however, the challenge will be different. To eat this frog first, I will support you to reduce testing effort in your affected landscape. Second, you will focus on the update procedure itself. Let's go! In order to obtain the guide for the Software Update Manager, please check help.sap.com. Go to Product Hierarchy here, and here please open Technical Platform. Here please open your URL SAP Solution Manager. On this screen please open the link Updating SAP Systems with Software Update Manager, short SUM. Here, just please confirm that you're leaving SAP Help portal. Now please open Software Update Upgrade using SUM. Click the link Guides for SUM 1.0 here. In this table please select the filters for database or operating system to reduce the list of available guides. Here's your PDF, just download it. I would advise to follow this video and have this guide on hand for background information. But nevertheless, keep the following chapters in mind: the quick guide, the preparation, the chapter about running the Software Update Manager, and of course the follow-up activities. SAP Solution Manager has to be set up properly regarding SLD and LMDB. The connection to SAP support is established. You have detailed knowledge about Maintenance Planner. It's quite easy, trust me. And the satellite system is minimum connected to transaction RZ70. Okay, system landscape. This could be a recommendation for the update of your affected system landscape. The productive system will be copied and acts as an independent test system. Disadvantage: you have to provide extra hardware, but the advantage: you can test everything on the independent system and you can extend the testing period. And later on, when your system landscape is affected, testing period can be extremely short, as you already know the pain points. Welcome to the Maintenance Planner. If your system is not visible here, please follow me. Please check Technical System for the availability of your ABAP server. Oh, nothing. Same applies to the SLD. Nothing at all. I guess we need to check the system itself. Please open transaction RZ70 here. Please ensure that the server and service directly points to the SCS instance of your Java SLD server. System is now available. Perfect! The LMDB is still missing. I guess we need to speed up the job in transaction SM37. Just check star LMDB star and execute the job immediately. Time to check the LMDB again. Perfect, system available. Please choose the tab SAP Support Portal and again press the button Upload to SAP Support Portal. Okay, data has been updated. So far, so good. Hopefully the maintenance planner received an update. Yeah, got it. Just choose the link of your system to plan the update. And again, press the button Plan. So here we like to plan a maintenance, of course. Please select your solution manager here. And of course, choose the newest package. And please don't forget to update your BI content as well. And finally, please press Confirm. And just choose Next here. Here, please leave the user interface technology selected as it is. Choose your kernel and database and open it. Please select your SAP kernel, your SAP host agent, your SAP integrated graphics server, and of course, your software update manager. And again, confirm your selection. Here, please ignore the warnings. They do not matter. Here, please download your XML file. Timeout. Reload the transaction, please. Here, please choose Transactions. Choose your transaction here. It's good to know that the maintenance planner saves the transaction automatically. And again, please select the button Plan. Back again. Now please push the files to your download basket. Here they are, ready to download. Just download them all. Okay, now prepare your zoom. Use your SIT ADM user on OS level to extract your zoom archive. For this, please go to folder User SAP SIT and extract your zoom archive via this command here. It will automatically create a subfolder called zoom. Now please switch to the root user and again switch to folder User SAP SIT zoom and execute this command: startup, config host agent and the SIT. Just copy this URL here. Please provide SIT ADM and password. You just downloaded your XML file via Maintenance Planner? Good! Please enter it here. And now please, Next. Please provide the passwords for the user DDIC, for the DB system user and the DB schema user. In this step, transaction spam will be checked for minimum version. Just choose to import the latest version available. And please choose Next. Just choose Next here. In the tool configuration, it's up to you whether to install a shadow instance or not. But for productive environment, I recommend to use standard or advanced setup. In this demo, I will not install any kind of shadow instance. And again, please choose Next. Here, leave the parameters as they are and again, Next. As this upgrade is based on a fresh installation, the error about these SAP nodes is quite normal. Just copy all these SAP nodes to your clipboard or your favorite text editor and here open an SAP GUI connection to your system. Please open the Transaction As node and choose the button Download SAP node. And here, please check the button Multiple Selection and copy the SAP nodes from your clipboard or your favorite text editor. And press Execute. Here they are, ready to implement one by one. I will not guide you through the implementation of all these SAP nodes. You will manage it by yourself because it's a next finish. Just try on your own. I will trust you. Okay, last one to implement. Yeah, got them all. Before you continue with your Zoom, you should release your transport request. Else development objects are locked and your upgrade procedure cannot continue. Open transaction SE01 and here's your transport request. Please first release your task and second release your transport request. Welcome back to Zoom. Please choose Next here. Here, please take expert mode and again, please Next. Here, leave everything as it is and Next, please. As this add-on remains unchanged, just please Next. Same here in this table. Just check against the files you selected in Maintenance Planner and again, please choose Next. You remember Groundhog Day? Next, please. Again, please choose Next without filling anything here. In case you have a productive environment, you might need to provide a transport request for SPDD or SPAU adjustments. But here, no transport is required, so only please Next. Again, Next, please. Again, Next, please. Here, please close this information and switch to the next phase of the Zoom upgrade procedure. Lock your development now. Rien ne va plus. Pre-processing phase of Zoom has come to an end. Just proceed exactly as described here. You did everything? Good! Then please choose Next. Perfect! You have reached the point of no return. I recommend to carry out everything as it is described here. In a productive environment, it can be feasible to double check with a colleague. Everything done? Then of course you are allowed to proceed with Next. Welcome to last line of defense. When you click Next now, execution phase will be started. In this phase, the data dictionary will be imported into your system. It will take some time. Perfect! You reached phase main import. It will be the last phase with a long runtime. Just keep going. Woot! Perfect! Main import is done. Of course, you have some more jobs to do, but the most critical part is done. Please back up your system now and then click Next. Here, just click Next and confirm the end of the downtime, please. Time to start the last phase of your upgrade. Post-processing. If you like to carry out a SPAU adjustment, please do it within the next 14 days. I recommend to involve your development department. Time to clean up your Zoom. Well done. Here, please provide a feedback for SAP. You will help to improve the tools and procedures. Final confirmation. Update is done. I will only cover the follow-up activities which are relevant for this upgrade. Let's go for the final part. In order to deal with the worst case scenario, please implement a proven concept for your backup and recovery. You just need to fulfill the following points: efficient, effective, and third, properly tested on a regular basis. In an upgrade or update, this procedure is quite normal. I would advise to first enter transaction S node and second enter transaction SPAU for modification adjustments. Please come with me and see the following example. Here, please enter transaction S node. Well, no incomplete SAP nodes. Good. Else, you first need to download the latest version. Here. Second, it might be feasible to reset the SAP node implementation here, but it's not a must. And third, please enter SAP node again. Now please enter transaction SPAU and adjust your objects. For mass reset, please choose the button here, Reset Mass Objects. Okay? And of course provide your transport request here. If you like, in SM37 you can check this running background job. Perfect! No more objects to adjust. SAP often invents new functions and new methods in their tools. If you're a developer, you should know what I'm talking about, do you? So please revise your code and adjust or improve it. As all of your SAP systems should be controlled by a central solution manager, please check the core applications SLD and LMDB. In detail, the software version of your satellite system 100% corresponds to the data in your solution manager. There should be no difference. Here, I would advise that you involve your user and authorization team. Please do not forget this step. For a detailed example, just come with me, please. Prepare your initial screen of SM37 just like this and execute. Here they are, suspended and waiting to be rescheduled again. Just open a second window and fire off this report. Okay, scheduled again. System will be live. Let's check it in SM37. Let's do this as a double check. Only click the refresh button and you will see. Perfect. Okay, just enter SGen. Please follow me again. First, please start the transaction SGen. Here. Here, please select the button components. And on the next screen, select everything here and continue. Please ensure that the generation of business server pages and WebDynpro is ticked as well. And now choose Continue. Now please select a row and click the button Start Job directly. With transaction SM37 you can monitor this job, but it will take some time. Okay? Here, just go to transaction DB02 and check it out. Now, please tidy up your room. Well done, expert. You enjoyed this video? Perfect. So please do me a favor, leave a comment below. And of course, I will be glad if you subscribe my channel. My name is Oliver Meinecke and my favorite playground is the SAP Solution Manager. So, see you next video. Bye!